to today's tutorial. And in this video, we are going to walk you through how to use the inventory history feature in EasyStore to track your stock movement and get valuable insights into your inventory. This will help you to stay on top of your stock levels, sales, and returns more easily. So let's get started. To access your inventory history, you can log in into your EasyStore account, and once you're in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Products. So let's say if you wish to look into a precise product's inventories, right? For example, we click on body wash. You scroll down to where you see inventory, and you will see this inventory history. So click on it. And once you're on this inventory history page, right, you will see all of this detailed list of all of your stock movement, including sales. So basically, sales means order place. Okay, so there would be some return as well. Maybe let me go through on some other pages. So it's not just the order place. You can see some are inventory updated, some can be cancellations, and some can be restored, some can be refunded. The key information displayed here includes the date of the order, basically the inventory that has been deducted. We have product as well. So let's say, example, if you click inside of this order place, it will brings you to the order details. So basically here you can go through all of the product informations, like what are the products that have been purchased, on which particular date, total amount, and more information. So these are some of the actions that you can retrieve in the inventory history. And you can also view the current stock quantity for each item, be it by in how much, out how much, right? And which stuff updated the stock as well. Okay, so from here we know that this inventory has been updated by Hui Ming. Why Hui Ming? -4. Or maybe let's say if the order has been cancelled, so system will retrieve back the order +1. Okay, so here we have another staff named Shenani. She updated +6. So here we will see the accumulated stock balance. So to make it specific, or to make it easier for you to view the entire inventory history, you can export it out into a file. So be it by an Excel file or a CSV file. So once you have clicked on it, you download, and your data in terms of the inventory movement would be downloaded in a CSV file. You can open it on Google Excel or Google Sheets to check on it. So there are two filters available in this inventory history. So let me look for some products with variants here. Hold on. So we'll look for Parisian blazers set with variants. Inventory history. So here it is applicable for you to filter. So for example, let's say if you are selling clothing or maybe items that has variant, you would like to look into the specific variant, right? In, out, the actions, how much balance is it? So you can see it from here. So on the left side here, SML is actually the variance. So it depends on the variance that you set. So since this is a clothing item, right, normally we have colors and sizing. Yeah, so here we have sizing for SML. And for example, let's say if you have more than just one outlet, where our system can track the inventory from multi-location. So on the right hand side here, you can filter which outlet that you would like to see this inventory history. So now we understand that we are in EasyStore HQ list. But let's say if you wish to view on retail outlet, you can click on it and you'll be able to see the date range, the actions, how many balance left for this specific item. And all this inventory history is available within the 90 days. So for example, if you wish to keep track for the entire month, right? So for the first 90 days, we will have the information, and that is why we will suggest you to export it out, whether it's Excel or a CSV file. So at least you can keep it as your own reference, and when you need to refer back in the future, you have the Excel file with you. It's just simple as that, and that's a wrap on our tutorial for using inventory history in EasyStore. We hope this helped you to manage your stock more efficiently, and if you have any question, please feel free to reach out to EasyStore's team. Thanks for watching.